Hello! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to pin an element to the screen on Wix. Whether you're redesigning your website or just want to make sure important items stay visible as visitors scroll, this feature is a game changer. Let's get started. First, log into your Wix account and head over to the Wix website editor for the site you want to edit. If you're already signed in, you can simply click on My Sites at the top of the homepage and select the site you want to work on. Once you're in the editor, you'll see your web page layout. Now, start by selecting the specific element you want to pin. For this example, we'll pin an image, but you can use this for any component. Right-click on the element to access additional options. From the menu, click on Pin to Screen. This will fix the element in place, keeping it visible as users navigate your site. After pinning, you might notice the position isn't perfect. You can adjust the horizontal offset to move the element left or right, and the vertical offset to move it up or down. These small tweaks help ensure your pinned element doesn't obscure content or overlap with other items on your page. Once everything looks right, don't forget to preview your changes. Click on the preview button in the editor to see how the element behaves as you scroll through your site. This step is key to making sure your site is user-friendly on all pages and screen sizes. And that's it. You've successfully pinned an element to the screen on Wix. With this tool, you can make important items prominent and ensure crucial content stays accessible to your visitors. Thanks for watching and enjoy customizing your Wix site.